Chad and I are going to Millville, going to see the pros do some ripping. I think it's a 19 YZ250f. About 35 hours. She's pretty cherry. We each got them freshies. Haven't even seen the sand yet. Brother, you
fucking do this,
dude. This is gonna be a good time.
Fuck yeah. It's really not bad.
Can you help? Okay, push down. There we go. Oops. How's the shot look, Trey? Does it look good? Might as well do a little walk around to my 20 CRF250. It's an awesome bike, love it. Traded it away a couple weeks ago and traded right back for it. Let's go. For a road trip. Big lawn guy. Big grass guy.
Ride some fucking dirt bikes, watch some fucking pros.
Hell yeah. Let's do that.
Let's do all that.
All that
And
stuff.
drink a lot of beer while doing it.
Yes. Perfect soil. Oh,
Let's
man.
go.
Got our supplies.
Hour and a half to the ride these dirt bikes.
Oh man. It's not a little track.
It's not a little track.
I'd say it's similar to the berms though.
It's just more spread out. Yeah. We'll handle it. We always do.
We'll find a way. So we just got our first session of laps in and realized we forgot gas and water.
Only the two most critical things to ride a dirt bike.
Feeling pretty dumb right now.
What a guy.
He said he don't even want any money.
Come on.
Nice little site we got here. Let's go! Threw up?
Yeah.
She got a little frosty around.
Just fully clothed.
1 or 2 in the morning. Was able to tough it out with this little blanket, but yeah, not ideal.
Good, what, 10, 11 hours of sleep?
Yeah.
That's solid.
That was nice. Haven't slept that good in a while. Another fun-filled day.
With the races we go.
Let's go. You ever, bud?
fucking Hondas. Nothing crazy. You know what I'm gonna do?
You gotta strike it.
I'm fucking striking.
Lodged in it. That's right.
This thing will cut your freaking arm off, dude.
Oh. That's yours.
Oh, look at that.
Cheers. Woo!
So, finally leaving. It was a great trip. That was epic.
It really was.
We'll be back, but until then, see you later. All cleaned up and ready for the next ride. Hope you guys liked the video. We had an awesome time. Had a great time shooting it. If you could, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you could do all those, that would be